It's the first time we're ever doing it. So we're having families come in on Friday night, January 30th. Reservations are required for it and tickets to book it. So we have sleeping zones kind of set up within the museum. We're asking families to come in with their sleeping bags, cots, and spend the night. So we'll have some exclusive playtime at night, and then we'll have lights out, a nice fun night of sleep, and then wake up in the morning, play a little bit longer, and get ready for the next day. It's something we've talked about a lot internally. We have a lot of meetings and just try and just throw ideas all out there. And one idea that came up was, why don't we try a sleepover? You know, a night at the museum style theme, and so we'll have story times, we'll have snacks for the kids at night too, and it'll be just a really, really, really fun time.